Right here I have this beautiful vanity that has 10 drawers that are soft close and 3 open shelves. We actually have 3 different light settings on here, which is actually amazing, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But let's check out the quality that we have here. Look at this wood. It looks amazing. You can actually get this in white or black, and we have the RGB lights down here, which you can control from your phone or remote that actually comes with this set. But I want to show you how spacious these drawers are. As you open these up, and they just close very nicely. Nice blue light in the back. As you close this, it kind of stops right there, which I love, and then you just press it one more time and it locks. We have these really nice modern black handles, and this is just set up so nicely. You can have your makeup on here, your accessories, and it just fits absolutely perfect. This is such a practical unit. This does not come with the chair, so I'm just going to pull this off to the side. Build time was pretty easy. Took about a couple hours, and you're going to have this thing all set up and ready to go. Now check out how cool this light is. We have a really nice touch button, and we have 3 different settings. We actually have your really bright, we have your medium, and we have your low setting. And one thing I really like about this is if you hold it in, you can actually dim each one of these lights all the way down. So these lights are going to be perfect depending on what time of day it is, and if you're getting ready with your makeup, you're going to definitely want a lower setting of light if you're going to be in the dark versus in the daytime. So you can adjust that, and it's going to be absolutely perfect for that. This also holds up to 300 pounds in total, which just makes this super practical to put all of your accessories and stuff in here. We even get this really nice drawer that you can actually turn to the side as well. So you could change this to a 90-degree angle, or you could just lay this out completely horizontal to be flush with the wall like this. So just so you can see, this is turned to the 90-degree way. So this is just another option that you can have this, where this hangs off just a little bit to the side here, and that's just enough support. You can actually push this all the way to the edge. And check this out. We get 2 AC ports, 1 Type-C, and a USB. So that is pretty awesome and practical. Plug your electronics in there, you're gonna be totally fine. I like the way this looks, and if you want to save a little bit more space, turn it to the 90 degrees and have this in the corner. It'll just work perfectly, but you have that preference, and that's really nice. So you even get this awesome app that actually comes with this, and check this out. You can change the lights on here to anything that you want. That is so cool. Look, we have a nice purple that we can change this to, and you can even change it to something like this with a 7-color crossfade, and this will actually fade in and out to all different colors, making this so much fun. And you can change the speeds too, but there's so many different options that you can have in the app, and I love that you can change this. It just makes it a nice personalized touch to have fun with. Look at this feature right here. As I'm talking, I'm actually controlling the lights. Guys, this is crazy. I love the app, and there's so much that you can do with it. You can even choose all of these songs, and you can play these pre-downloaded songs on here, and it will adjust to the music. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a high quality vanity that's going to hold all your stuff and just be super practical. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.